Hey, what is going on, you guys? Happy Tuesday. It's Dani here with a motivational moment for you guys. And I want to get straight to it. If you are allowing negative thoughts to cloud your mind, you're A, not getting anywhere, and B, you are being completely careless. You are being careless and damaging to your mind. Feeding your mind negative thoughts is like feeding your body fast food, okay? It is careless, it is damaging, and it gets you nowhere, okay? It gets us nowhere. Where are you going when you are spending all your time thinking about all the things you've told yourself over time about how you're not good enough, how you're worthless, how you're not attractive enough, you're not smart enough? Where has that gotten you? Has that gotten you more attractive? Has that gotten you more fit? Has that gotten you smarter? Has it gotten you that job that you wanted? Probably not. But when you take your brain and you focus it on taking action, on making moves towards the things that you want in your life, when you make moves and take action to becoming the person you want to be, that is when things happen, you guys. Comparing yourself to someone else and their situation and why they're able to do it and why you're not is a waste of your time. Don't waste your time. Life is too short. You don't know if you have a tomorrow. So today, right here, right now, first and foremost, be so grateful that you are still here. Be grateful. Give thanks and then take action. I really believe in giving thanks first, because if we can find a way to be grateful for the things that we have in our life, then we are already setting the path for a positive mindset. Okay? That's the point. There's just, it's easy and it's hard. It's so easy. It's like, don't be negative, be positive. Easy solution. But it takes effort and it takes work. So in that sense, no, it's not easy and it doesn't come naturally. Happiness is not something that you just get by doing nothing. You actually have to put in some work to become happy. And no, you're not going to be happy 24/7 for the rest of your life. And to be quite honest, you wouldn't even recognize happiness if you were always happy, right? If you don't experience sadness and pain, then you can't really experience happiness in the same way. So on that note, you guys, get rid of those negative thoughts, kick them out of your mind, stop them in their tracks, get positive, get happy, get healthy, and have a great day.